But if we want any product at a time, we should go to market now.
No, there is lots of like a
actually.
Blinkit 10-minute delivery.
Yeah.
I think all of you are disturbed, so take a glass of juice.
No.
Do you want a juice?
I think you need the juice.
We are enjoying this discussion.
So do it online. Do it online.
Yeah.
जूस पिला दो मौसम्बी का
Should be a shop.
Okay. If I am going to to the taking my interview, then I have to take care of my shirt also, na?
Yeah.
But it
by
is
mistake.
just
No, it's not
It's
only
a
mistake.
It's
In
like
interview, I cannot do mistake.
I don't want to go. Let you go to interview. I have thrown the cup of tea on your shirt.
Then
And
what
I
will you
think,
do?
I think, listen.
And what you
Say good morning.
Good
You
morning.
can also say good morning, yaar.
Good morning.
Why are we sitting here?
For discussion for.
I'm not asking you. I'm trying to explain to my viewers, okay? We are sitting here. We are sitting here. Only I'm sitting here. Some more students will sit here. 3 chairs are, empty here. I'm not here in the debate actually. The debate is going to start, and this debate, okay, we have a very beautiful topic, and the topic is very contradictory nowadays in this time, okay? Everybody knows the topic, but it's very tough. They will try to make you understand about the ideas of the topic, and the topic is online shopping is good or offline shopping is good. In my right, the students who love to do offline shopping, they will sit here, right? And in my left, those who like to buy online, they will sit here. So nowadays it has become trend. If they don't want to buy, still they click and buy something. It is very good for the business point of view, yes, and it is not good for our budget point of view. So I'm calling Miss Sneha here in my left. Please, have you sit? Okay, and in my right, I'm going to call the student who loves to talk about offline shopping. Please, Mr. Anshu, welcome in by huge round of clap. So Mr. Anshu is here, right? And in my left there is no seat to sit. That's why I'm not calling that person. First I need to stand, and after that he will take my seat, right? So I want to call Mr. New personality. Yeah, you must wait. Kaushik Bashu here in the center. Please sit in my right. Okay. Now I need.
Hello, very good morning, learners. As we all are know that today we are sitting here for a beautiful discussion. We can say discussion and debate. So we also don't know what will we do. Actually, it's totally depend on our aggression. How will we aggressive and how we will take. Okay. So today's our topic is shopping, online shopping versus offline shopping. So as we all know that shopping is the most important thing. We are purchase something. We are purchase something for fulfilling our need. So today I'm gonna tell you how much and how is it important for us, how online shopping is important, and another team he will tell you how offline shopping is important. So online shopping is also known as e-commerce shopping. Like we are purchase something from we purchase something from the device, from the internet, from the mobile phone, from the computer. And offline shopping is also known as traditional shopping. We go in the market and we purchase something with a throw off offline.
Hi, this is Galib, and I am in the favor of online shopping.
Okay, hi viewers, I am Kumar and Suraj, and today I am here to destroy them with my words, and I defend offline shopping here.
myself Kaushik Basu, and I am in the favor of offline shopping.
Thank you.
Okay,
raise
so
your first-
I'm telling you how online shopping is important. So first of all, convention. What does it mean? What is a convention? Convention means online shopping allows to consumer first buying anything, their products at any time. And second one is waste time. We can conserve our time. If we go in the market, then we will waste our more time most of the time. And the third one is wider selection. It's mean we can also purchase international and national things. Those is not available in your local market.
So you are saying that you can easily pick a product on online because in offline that product is it may be not available there.
Yeah.
But you are wrong here, because in offline shop there were a lot of shops in front of us, and we have the product which is in front of us. We can touch that product, we can see that product, and easily we can check that, and we can, if it is not suitable for us, we can easily return that product. But it is not it means in online shopping. So offline shopping is better than online.
But in online shopping, we can also read the reviews of the product. We can also check the website of the product. And if we order a branded product, like if you are living in a Begusrai, and you may you tell me ki, is there any available brand is available in Begusrai?
Yeah, of course, offline shopping is very it means grateful for use, because in offline shop there were a lot of products is available there. If you are talking about product, and what is the, if I talk about the size of product, if you want a size of 8 of shoes, and if you buy that product, and after that you it means realize that that product is not suitable for you, then what you can do for that?
Then
I will return it.
So it means ki it means spend my money to buy that product, and I spend my time to return that product.
But the chances of getting failure is very, very less.
Yeah, it's
It's only
exceptional, I
about,
can
it's
say
not
that.
only about online. You can also get defective piece in offline.
In offline we are at shop, and we can easily watch that product completely, and we can it means
You can also watch the product
Yeah.
in the offline.
but in
But-
online there were a lot of lights.
No,
Yeah.
but in online there is many fake viewers. There is many fake reviews.
no, then
No,
why is it
yeah.
increasing day by day?
check
Why
the
online
fake
shopping is
reviews?
increasing?
If I talk about many commerce websites are available in our India, like
How can
Amazon,
we
Flipkart.
understand that reviews is not fake?
You
Yeah.
can understand it by seeing of images, by seeing
listen.
That person is not fake. How can I decide?
If all apps are fake, then why online shopping is increasing day by day?
Online shopping is increasing day by day, because we are becoming a lazy person. We don't want to
It's
go
not
outside
like
from
that.
our home.
If you want to if you want to become good your health with the, just throw off online
in
shopping. You
today's
can also
world,
go in the
we have
market.
no time. So that's we are spending on a time on a like e-commerce website.
Okay.
But due to that we forget to move outside of our house. We all the time we
You
are
can
sitting
go-
in the no
you
all
can
the
go-
time we are
You-
sitting in the
you are-
house,
you-
and we
you-
are not able to go
Excuse
outside.
me, sir. I want to say, who is stopping you to go outside?
Yeah.
You can go and play cricket match.
Right.
Yeah.
You can go
It's
and
not
play
only
football.
about
And also
shopping.
Run in
running.
the morning.
Yeah.
You can
Yeah,
do jogging.
sir-
You can go to the park. Don't say this. Yeah,
Sir,
you're
it
going
may be
outside, yeah.
it may be our habit that we don't want to go outside, because if we
but
purchase
if you
everything
don't
on
know
site.
That, you need
You
to
can't say
control
that.
yourself.
Yeah.
No, it is not. It
And
means
if
it's
you will
not
go
only
in
you-
the market, then you will face many kind of problem. You will feel crowds, you will feel radiation.
You are going outside
and
not
many
only
more
for
things you will
shopping.
face
You have
in the market.
also lots
but
of
in
opportunities.
offline shopping, while we face crowd, we face challenges. We wanna
It's
learn
not
from
like
that.
if you want
a
to
challenge,
if you
it's a
wanna face
biggest
the challenges,
mistake.
then go
You go to the shop,
border.
you go to any mall and you feel crowded, you feel traffic jam. It's a very disgusting thing.
Yeah.
So what do you wanna see? It means universe with your specs. Is it possible? If you wanna see universe, you have to go outside
Yeah,
from your
there is
home.
a lot of things that we can do outside,
Yeah.
like playing cricket. It's not only about shopping.
If you are in the habit of
He wants
purchasing
to go for
everything
shopping,
at your
okay,
home.
and he will complete his jogging as well.
Yeah.
There. Do you have any problem with that?
How will it go
I have a
and give-
problem because
What problem you have?
yeah, because jogging is done in the morning,
Yeah.
and in morning
He wants to
offline
do,
shop
you know,
is.
He wants to do every time. Do you have any issue?
How is it possible, sir?
yeah.
Because
He
there will be
enjoy
lots
there.
of
He
crowd.
will talk to the new people. He will expose himself, okay, and
It's
talk to
not
the new people.
possible. It's
he will
not-
learn a lot of things as he is doing communication skills. He can do that offline very
But that
easily,
type of a
right?
person exists in this world is very, very less, like
Less.
0.001%.
absolutely
Yeah.
right.
Yourself there or here?
No,
In the
no, no.
crowd or
No, I am different from her.
you
his.
unique.
In
Yeah, I
online
am
shop,
unique.
sir, in online
Yeah.
shop there were only descriptions and reviews, and we can't believe on reviews and descriptions. But in offline shop there were a salesman who can make them understand
Yeah,
that
yeah.
that product is very nice. You
Right.
can check it. You can and we are able to check that product. That is
But
most
you
important.
have also you
Yeah,
can read the
but-
reviews.
Yeah, but in nowadays, like AI is generated, you can also ask a different question about the product, about the reviews, about the delivery, anything you can ask nowadays.
Okay.
But that is also while we are shopping through online, day by day it's increasing.
Yeah.
And we are not able to buy from market. and this is that means you are helping other country to
It's
being
not
it's
like
not like that.
You are destroying our economy.
Yeah, if I tell you,
Support India.
yeah,
Support
yeah, I
Indian
support
products.
India. Yeah, I support
Indian
India.
products,
Yeah, I
right?
love India.
we are not supporting
But
our-
we order also.
What do you mean to say?
Indian
Online is all
also,
about.
Indian-
GDPR, you are just
No.
selling, buying, purchasing.
No,
product
it's
of
not like
other
that.
country.
Online is all about abroad country.
no you are
Many Indians people, you also can
You watch any-
sell your product in
What
online.
about local person who is it means working in a office, it means in a mall, in a at a shop? So what
I
about
have
them?
a question.
Yeah.
Who give you the product? Who cut the slip? Of course, a person.
Yeah, right.
There were very less person.
How
It
can
means
you
there
say
were
that?
only
We
one
say that.
one job is
But
delivery.
whenever
boy.
we go to market, there we got many
In a
people.
department, I'm talking in the mall. There are just 4 people. But
Right.
if you go in the there is a packing, there is a product.
Product is
there will
coming
be-
from a different estate.
Yeah, maximum there will be 50.
What
But
about
no, no, no.
transportation? They are also for earning something, and you wanna buy everything from online. So why they are on the road?
Yeah, it means you online shopping means not only that you are buying a branded product.
Online shopping means varieties, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
And
want
it's
varieties.
available
I
24
want
and 7.
variety.
It has a
Okay.
wider selection.
Yeah.
but-
I have the varieties from the world.
And
That
it's
is why I want to
available.
buy online
Listen,
shopping.
and
And
it's
there
a-
is one more plus point. You will get discount in
Right.
online,
Yeah.
right?
And it's
But
a
in
cheap
offline,
from
most of the
offline
time you
if I
don't have
compare.
discount.
So what about financial fraud, which is increasing day by day?
Okay, that
No.
you
It's
need to
not
get
just
regulation
because
is
of-
needed.
Yeah, if you
Yeah.
know
Right.
the fake website, then you are like in the trap of a,
how a person can understand that site is
there
fake?
is a lot of a website which is
Yeah.
like running nowadays, like Flipkart, Amazon, Miso, Mintra. You can
But
shop from
in
them.
today's era, people were not educated as well. So how can they understand that website is fake? Because that is increasing day by day.
Yeah,
It's
this is
not
your problem.
problem of-
If you're-
You need to
And if you are not
So
educated,
it means but in offline there were no any problem.
okay, Ansuya.
How-
If you are not educated, then you can also not identify in the offline stores ki this is like a wrong brand or a right brand.
But while we going to offline shopping, while we going to shop, what we want, the salesman can feel what we want really.
Then you
cheat
can
also,
also-
yeah,
yeah.
right.
Salesman can cheat you also. He can tell you this product is good
Right.
because you're not educated and he can cheat you.
But-
he opens
but-
a shop
but
for
that
like
time-
what is the main purpose of the shop? Earning money.
No, no, but there
And-
is very less
If you will
percent
say
of
to
No,
seller,
he
listen,
can do anything for earning money.
if you will say the seller, I want a cotton shirt, and then
If
he
you
will
are,
give you
it
a
means
cheap
if you are
cotton shirt.
disturbed with that salesperson, then what about the person who is making a lot of fake websites? In that term, we can't understand that site is fake or real. But
Then
in
just
that
search
physical
about-
way,
then
we
just
can
search about
understand.
the application.
There is a lot of a popular website.
Yeah.
Why you are always diverting the
And
topic to the fake websites?
person makes fake website.
Your point here. This is the right question.
Yeah.
By the way, you were just asking about that,
Fake
online
website.
fraud,
There
which
is-
is the
yeah.
reality of this
And
time.
online shopping is also available 24 and 7, and you can also
Yes.
return and see
And
your
fraud is
product
everywhere.
very
You can
easily.
get.
but if we want any product at a time, we should go to market now.
No, there is
And
lots of
it's a
like a
coincidence, actually.
Blinkit 10-minute delivery.
Yeah.
I think all of you are disturbed, so take a
We
glass of
don't.
juice.
No,
Do you want a
We
juice?
don't.
I need.
Solve, actually.
I think you need the juice
We are enjoying
because
this
So
discussion.
do it online. Do it online.
yeah, I think do it online.
Do it
Yeah.
online.
Let's bring. I want to drink. I want to drink.
Yeah, sir.
If you want to
I
drink,
want to drink.
if you want to drink, you can order it. Why can I order it? You
I
for
want
me?
to drink
water
right
actually.
now.
You want
Listen.
water right now. Can you
Right
give
now.
water,
Can
okay?
you?
Do you have a juice? Do you have a
I need a glass of juice. Will you give me it immediately?
You will have to go in the market.
Yeah.
Why I go market? Why I
Okay,
can
okay,
do it
okay.
online?
Okay.
Listen to me. Then you will have to purchase some fruits. Then you will make the juice. But there are also Zomato,
Just-
Swiggy.
just
You can
let-
order it, and he will come
just
and
let-
Right.
give you.
Okay, I will order it.
so
I
if-
will order it now.
So
I
if
want
my
now a water.
Yeah.
I can
Water.
bring. I
Okay,
can
okay.
bring it.
Okay,
in-
what-
You can
are you
also
saying?
bring
Speak
the
it.
water with the help of
I can bring it in the 10 minutes. Can you bring in water in 10
Obviously.
minutes?
No, 10
We
minutes.
can
How can you say
my
that?
my
I can
throat is
bring water in
thirsty
10 minutes.
and
Can you
I am disturbed because if it means immediately need that water, then how can I purchase it online? I have to
for
take it
offline, you need
immediately.
to go also to the market.
Yeah.
It takes also time.
But it takes less time. In online, we need it means at least 7
But
or
you
10
will feel
days for
tired.
that
no,
product.
no, no.
But you
I am
will
saying,
feel
there is a lot of app like a Blinkit, 10-minute
Yeah.
delivery, Swiggy, or
Swiggy
like a
is
Zomato,
also there.
only 50-minute,
It is
40-minute
just
Is
delivery.
Blinkit? Is
But
Blinkit?
they-
Zomato and Swiggy is available in
And
Begusarai.
listen,
You can also order it.
It is also available in Begusarai, but not
In village.
in village.
No,
And-
no,
Yeah.
no.
Okay.
I can
And
order
yeah,
it in
yeah.
Zomato or like Swiggy in now. Now.
But in this
Listen,
type of area,
will you purchase water at the night? Will you purchase?
yeah, I can.
Yeah, of course we can
The
purchase
shop
at
will
any
be-
time.
The shop will be closed.
open. Yeah, absolutely. The shop will be closed, and
They-
you will use online.
but in
There is a
today's era,
24/7 availability
but
like
in today's-
online
Yes.
shopping.
In today's,
Shops
the
are-
shop are also available 24/7.
No, it's not like that.
It's
Whose
not
shop is
like
open
that. Where is that
24/7?
shop? I
Who
don't.
told you
I
this?
never seen the such type of a shop.
Yeah, it's not available.
that type of shop.
No.
In Begusarai,
Station road.
Oh, means if I have to drink water, I have to go to the station.
Yeah.
Wow.
is it available at every online?
your thirst, yaar. Control your thirst.
Is it available that all online it means site is it means able to reach at every corner of village?
Madam, answer this question.
Come again.
Sir, please answer this question.
No,
You
no,
want-
it's not
you
like
want
that. Yeah, it's not like that. Every corner, online shopping has not reached at every corner.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
Okay, so what about that person?
India is the
If
country
they
of
wanna
village.
buy anything,
Sir,
then how can
India
they
is the country
buy?
of village, okay?
Right.
And here villagers.
It's like when you scroll, we think it's good, it's
And
bad.
if you
But
will
in
go in the
offline
market-
section, you have a limited selection.
Yeah, and
I have to buy it like in
No,
either it
this
is
is-
or neither it's.
It's happened. If you will.
This
if
is
you
only for the word. This is
No,
not.
it's not like a
this,
word.
This
if you
is
go
not
in the
in the
market,
real
then you
life.
will face
Here
any
question is
problem.
what
Then you will
about
start to
necessary
divert.
product which is not the product which we don't need that product, but in online we are forced to buy that product. What about
Who
that?
tell you this?
Who tell you?
If you will
If
go in
you
the
don't
market,
need-
then
Because-
this
because
is-
it creates-
our money, right?
It's not like that.
Wasting our money.
It's
If you
not
don't
like
need
that.
anything,
It's
then
your-
how
it's
you
your
order it
problem,
means
no?
you are wasting your money. It's your
Yeah.
problem.
Because
Whatever
that
you are
protect-
saying- no, whatever you both are trying to say, that is for only words.
No, how
That's
can
It's not
you
like
say
that.
that? How
It's
can you say
reality.
that?
It's
Okay.
reality.
That's not-
new points. Any strong points?
Let's put
That's
this.
not in
new
our
points.
life.
Some new points. You're just collapsing. You know, you guttam gutti chal raha hai. I want to just have some new points. Yeah, please. Can you please give some new points? And I'm coming. You guys, I'm coming to you as well. Please, Mr. Bashu, please tell me.
Online shopping, it's a waste of money. There in market, we are buying the important product. What we
But
are
if
needed.
you will go in the market, your mind will start to divert. You want to, I wanna purchase this thing. I wanna purchase this. Oh, this is looking like so beautiful. I wanna purchase this
Yeah.
thing. Your mind will also
And
divert
eyes
in the
attract
market.
more than like in online.
But in offline there is very less chance. But in online we
can
have a
you
lot
tell
of products
me?
in
It's
front
a-
of
it's
our
a-
eyes.
It's
if I
very-
want to buy something, then I buy.
Yeah.
It's not only about online or
Just
offline.
search that
While
thing,
anyone is
whatever you
scrolling
want.
mobile phone, that time we watch a lot of products,
Don't scroll.
and that
Listen,
creates
listen,
it means
listen to me.
Yeah.
Don't scroll mobile phone. Just search that product, whatever you want.
Right.
Don't search another product.
Right.
Okay.
Unnecessary product. Don't
so
search.
if I search that product
Yeah.
and if that is create of it means if that product is not it means fine for us, then what about that?
It will find for us. Just check.
How
that
can-
out.
how can we
can
understand?
Fine for us. What do you mean? What do you mean to say? Please elaborate it.
In online there were a lot of lights and a lot of fake photos
Yeah,
there,
right.
So and how can we understand that that product is really it means as that product seems, that is really, how can we understand? Because of
Flipkart
light,
is
because of
genuine.
fake
Yeah.
photos,
Flipkart
because of
Myntra is
You are talking-
genuine.
You are
No, one thing I want to add here, even in the shop and showroom and malls, there are a lot of lights, okay?
Yeah.
You cannot know the real picture of
If
that
you
product.
don't
I know,
know
but
about the
but we
product,
can-
Outside,
if you
come
don't
to
know
the
about the
reality of the product,
but
okay?
we can
But
watch
we
that
can
product
watch-
with our eyes and we can touch
You
that
will
product, but in
also-
online
but-
that facility is not
Yeah,
available.
it's
Available.
facility
You
already
available.
have product.
You can
We
order
can
it and
feel.
return it if you don't. It is not
It
suitable
means
for you.
if as I
Yeah,
give you example that day, if it is your wedding time,
Yeah.
and immediately you need a product
No,
which is
wedding is
which
not
is
like immediate.
No, you are.
which
You have to
there were a
plan.
lot of
Prepare all. We will.
That time we have no time.
No, in love marriage we don't need any servant.
Okay. At
I will
night,
prepare-
how will you buy
In
that?
love marriage we don't need any servant.
Yeah, I will
Galib,
prepare
Galib.
all the things
Yeah.
before
Okay.
2 months of my
Just think
marriage.
you are going for an interview.
Yeah.
Okay.
And a cup of tea has fallen on your shirt. What can you do that
He
time?
will do
exactly?
online, yeah. He will
Yeah, absolutely.
wow, that's it's nice, it's nice, good.
He has lot of time.
online.
Yeah,
It's
we will
nine-
do online.
no, no.
Listen, listen.
It's
we will
9
absolutely
years.
do.
Listen to this
We
lady
will-
first,
we
because
will-
lady will cry otherwise. Yeah, please, what do you want to say?
Absolutely, we will get the cup of tea online because it
No, no,
has
no, no,
been-
This is
I'm
not
talking
my
about the
If
shirt.
their shop
Shirt
no
is
available,
not fine, that is
if their
still
shop is
like-
not available in nearby, then what can you do?
Is it? It is.
What are you thinking, bro? Just tell me.
Yeah.
If you are going to interview,
Yeah.
you are going to interview in a village. Just tell me, are you going to interview, giving interview in a
Okay.
village?
If I am going to
No,
interview,
if-
okay, okay,
If
okay.
you're going to
Okay, bro,
give
okay.
an interview,
If I am
then
going
there
to
should
bro,
be a shop.
okay. If I am going to bro to the like taking my interview, then I have to take care of my shirt also, na?
Yeah.
But it
Just
it
by
is just
mistake.
No, it's not
It's
only
a
mistake. In
like a
interview, I
coincidence.
cannot do
Somebody-
mistakes.
I don't want to go. Let you go to interview. I have thrown the cup of tea on your shirt.
What will you
then what will you do?
I mean, listen.
Then what you will go.
Listen, sir, it's like a coincidence. If you
Yeah.
go, if you go.
But in
for your
that coincidence,
listen to
what
me.
will you do?
Firstly, listen
If
to
you
me.
if you like going to the interview and I will
Okay, if you
give
will.
to the like a tea, then what can you do?
I can
will
purchase
go
a
purchase a
shirt, a
shirt.
new shirt.
Again, I will do.
It's like
That
a.
is, I'm talking about coincidence. I'm not talking about.
I will purchase that shirt and keep it in the
Poly bag?
and
I
I will wear.
okay.
I will wear
Okay.
in the office.
I also do it. I also do it. I also get the shirt from my home and take it to the office.
I will
How can
Yeah.
you?
This question
How
is hypothetical. Be realistic. Okay?
how are you?
It's like a coincidence. If you go in your, if you go for your interview and like suddenly Earth will become, then where will you go? You will go under the ground.
Yeah. So it's not like a this thing. Yeah.
Okay, so there is
real, be real.
there is a situation. A person is dying because of a BP tablet. Okay, so what will you do in that time?
We will go.
What will you do?
Hospital.
See. Viewers, actually, मेरा को बोलना है कुछ. Actually, viewers understand. These guys are trying to, ask the questions which cannot be answered. Okay, so be real. Don't ask hypothetical question. ऐसा होगा तो वैसा हो जाएगा. Just be real. Okay, and now
make excuses.
start
If
from
it
zero.
will
Now, I
happen,
want
we will
to
see
have
what
one
to do.
from, audience, please, audience. You show your face. Okay. Do we have any question from this side? Okay. And do we have any question from this side? Do you have any question? Please ask the question.
Yeah, as they are telling in online, in offline there is a lot of product what we can see, what we can feel. So I want to tell that in online we can also see, we can see their views and their product in that chart. There is all detail of product.
Right.
So you can see that thing as well. It is not only about ki in offline you will get only good product
Okay.
in online.
Okay.
May I
Anshuman
answer?
yeah.
Yeah. As she said, in online there are a lot of description reviews are available. We can watch that things. But tell me, if I give you a product, you can wear that product. And if I give you a list of that product, what is it means? Which is better then? Which is better? If I give you a product to wear, okay, and if I give you a list of a product in which everything is written,
On
which
the
is
screen
better?
actually, on the screen.
On the screen only, yeah. So which is better? You can wear that product and realize that it is good or fit for me, or you can only watch that list and you can realize that okay, so that product is fit
But
for
in
me.
offline
So,
shopping,
what-
the shopkeeper
so-
doesn't allow to do a VR. Many of the shopkeepers,
In-
yeah.
in every offline
Just
shop
go to
we have
market.
trial room.
There is in maximum of the shop or mall there is a trial room where
And
we can should try the.
Then you
but
can also
but in
try after
in
purchasing
online
the
there is a
product.
very big like benefit. If you want to buy something, buy it use it and return it.
Yeah.
So that
Yeah.
that is
That's
not right
not
for
right.
anyone's. Yeah.
I'm
But
not
it's
talking
right for
about
you.
use
Don't
of
think
like
about
use
others.
personal
Just
use.
think about
You can
it.
check it it is fit or not. Then you
Yeah.
can
So-
return it.
So it means it is the waste of our time because
How
we
can
buy
it-
a
how-
okay.
how is it
So
waste of
so
our time?
how can?
It will take just
Like-
5 to 10 minutes.
So
For
it-
online shopping, we should buy a product approximately 15 days before.
yeah.
Not
That
15
day-
days before. You are wrong here.
Just 3 days.
Yeah, just
It-
3 days. And if
It
you
is
have
it is
One
not
second.
and if you have
possible for
membership and if
village.
you have membership, it is delivers within just 1 day.
Yeah.
So it is not possible for village.
It's
Okay,
possible.
it is very hard.
It is
in,
not possible for
Okay,
village.
let's take question from Siam. You have any question?
You want to choose super fast delivery?
Yeah.
Then he
Yeah.
can, one only
If
one
you
day.
need-
He delivered only one
Quickly,
day.
then you
Yeah.
can choose
Okay,
it.
okay. Your point is good, but we are in India. Just think about India. India is
In
not.
India is also available.
India is a very big country. Yeah, very
India,
fast.
there is, sir, in India, the number of villages are much more.
Then
than
in a
cities.
village there are also non-branded shops. Then how
So
will you
that type
purchase
of
that?
people don't want to like do it digital.
Okay, so you
Digital,
wanna
yeah.
you wanna be digital, and you what do you think the vegetable seller, the fruit seller, who is
can
it
also
means
purchase.
beside that road,
Yeah.
they wanna doing their business. What
telling
about
you
them?
Totally shift to the online. You can buy also some product from offline. Yeah.
So why?
Who's selling their products?
If
with the
I
help
buy
of
everything online, then what about the person who is not educated but they are doing their business on roadside?
Yeah, give some money to them. Yeah, you
Yeah.
are very
If you
concerned
have
about
You are-
How
yeah.
can we give them money if we don't go outside?
Become social worker.
Go outside. Go outside.
if-
It's not only about you
If
go
we are
outside.
not going outside for shopping, then how can we watch them
Oh,
and
means
how can we
you are only
help
going for
them?
outside for shopping, not for doing anything.
But maximum persons are going outside for shopping.
No, wrong.
Okay.
Please shift the camera. Here we are a person. So please ask them. Ki they only go for shopping for outside.
I'm not saying that
Yeah,
they are
you are
going
saying-
only
you
for
are saying.
shopping, but I'm saying that they are going for shopping. That time that time
No,
can
if
also
you want
they
to
can
give
also
the
help
money,
them.
you can give also in any time.
But they are doing their business. How can I give them money?
Oh, there you come to your point. You don't
Yeah.
want to give them the money. Then why you are about concerned about this man?
Just
The
think
person-
about yourself.
I'm-
Think about people.
They have self it means respect. How can I a businessman, there was a businessman, how can I become that person beggar?
Educate the person.
It means education.
problem of
If I educate them and I say them do not do business, what
it's
can I
not-
say?
Yeah, it's not. If they can also do online business.
How can they do online business?
Yeah, if
They
they
were not
educated,
a
they
lot
can
of
do.
monies.
Listen,
For
listen.
doing a online business, we need a lot of monies
No,
to create a
how can you say
website,
that?
to
How can
create
you say- No, it's not about
advertisement, a
website.
lot of things.
There is a lot of a thing. You can just click the picture
Okay, tell me.
and upload
okay,
to the any flip
okay, tell
e-commerce
me.
website.
Okay, tell me.
Yeah.
I have grass.
Yeah.
And I wanna sell it
Yeah.
for it means for my animals.
Yeah.
So how can I
You
sell it
can
online?
also
Yeah, you can sell it like-
online.
Give me some
Yeah.
ideas. How can I sell it online?
Okay.
Okay.
Just
You can
click the
create your
picture
application.
and upload in any e-commerce website. Any person.
On which website?
Any website, Amazon, Flipkart, any website. Like I am telling you.
And
Google,
how can I it means deliver it at their home?
at you
With the
by
home
the
delivery.
transportation system.
Yeah.
And how can you say that
You
it
charge
can be
more.
sold
You
in
charge
online?
more. You charge more.
It means cost which is very less. It means which is available very in less price. I increase price
No,
on
it's
that
not only
product
about
and I
every
can
product. It's
sell
not
it
only about
online.
every product.
It's
I'm not
also
telling you
happening
this.
offline.
But this is for our most of the product that we are using daily. This happened. The prices are increased.
If I sell it only
you are
100,
creating a
you are saying
hypothetical
that
situation only that is not possible. Whether it's online
it
or
is real.
offline.
It is not a hypothetical situation. It is reality of our country. It is reality of our society. If I wanna sell it in 100
Okay,
rupees, you are saying that no, charge it 150 rupees
Yeah,
and sell it.
if any person
No.
need, yeah, I want to tell you. Like if you want to sell up like a maize plant,
Okay.
and if any abroaders who like the maize plant, the quality of the plant, he gives you dollars, he gives you like a very dollar to the single plant.
Yeah.
The Indian doesn't give it.
So
It is the
what do you
benefit.
wanna? I do business with foreigners.
Yeah, you
I
can
didn't
give-
give
yeah,
anything
you
to
can
my
give-
country person.
No, you can give
For
also, but
money.
in online there is a selection of there is a selection procedure. Any person buy your products.
So,
But in offline, it doesn't
in our
happen.
country, there were a lot of poor. They can. It means they cannot afford costly products.
Many
So
of
how
the-
can I
many of people
sell
in
it?
India
What do
are-
you think? What do you think? Who sell their products with the throw of online? Those has online shop. They are also use
Yeah.
of online websites
So-
for selling their products. Like
Right.
if you had if you had a chill out. This is a offline restaurant, but they are also selling their product with the help of online
Yeah,
because
there's many,
online
like a
gives you
website,
many
Domino's,
benefits. That is
Chill Out,
why.
So you are saying that online and offline both are it means connected. That time we can
Yeah.
do best. But here we are talking about only online, na? That's why I'm saying that if you wanna cut your hair, then how can you do it? Do you wanna cut it online?
What
Just-
what
no.
is it?
You
Just-
all
no, no,
always
just
creating
order.
Yeah,
something
we
it happened
can.
in
You
offline,
can
something
call
it
the,
happened in
you
offline.
can call the shopkeeper and see, and he will come in your home. And
What about
you
the
can-
So
delivery
how
job?
much?
What about
How
the
much it
people of
charge?
delivery
How
job?
much that person charge to you?
It's a
It
little
is
bit
easily
costly.
convenient.
It is costly.
A little bit costly.
For
It's
offline.
like a
no?
problem of money.
Your questions are over, right? Because you guys are repeating now. Okay.
Yeah.
So, do you want to add some new points? You can add it. Otherwise, you can just stop it, right? Tell me. Do you want to add some new points here?
Here is also new point. If anyone wanna
Do you have
cut
any
their hair,
idea?
how can they cut it online?
You are always creating
but
a situation
nowadays-
like a
but
mess.
nowadays-
This is not a
Yeah.
valid point.
All right, all right.
Yeah, nowadays
Done for
parlor
today?
lady
Alright,
and
can you
parlor
please,
man is also come in your home, so you can for your makeup or your facial as well cut your hair. You
How
can go
much?
also.
How much person used a mobile phone in our country?
All
No,
minimum
you can
minimum
stop it.
98%.
You can stop it. Just tell. Okay, viewers, if you like this video.
Okay, so it is a very nice debate, and from this debate we are able to understand that online and offline shopping both are important for our country and our society. So that's very nice.
Okay.
Thank you.
उठा लीजिए. So please.
Can I?
Okay. Leave in mind. So it's done. I have this mic here. So viewers, you must have understood the art of speaking. These guys were trying to improve their English actually, and you watched the complete video. Thank you for this. You must write the comments and what type of debate you want. If you have any special topic, you can write that in the comment box. I will definitely try to come with that topic. Okay, thank you for watching complete video. If you are still new, subscribe this channel right now. Thank you very much. Bye.